Quality, reliability, and excellent customer service are all words used to describe the Digicom experience. For over 30 years, Digicom has provided medical, military, aerospace, and electronics manufacturers with high reliability assembled boards and subsystems.
From prototypes to production, Digicom provides you with a level of service that is unequaled. All manufacturing is done in Digicom's modern, newly expanded facility in Oakland, California, in the San Francisco Bay Area, where attention to quality is apparent from wall-to-wall ESD floor, specialized cleaning equipment and process controls, emphasis on green manufacturing, and the AS 9100 2016 Rev D Aerospace Quality, ISO 9001-2015, ISO 13485 2016 Medical Devices Quality, Quality System Regulation 21 CFR 820, ITAR, HubZone, Small Business, and numerous other certifications.
Digicom collaborates with major universities and research institutions around the world such as MIT, Berkeley, Stanford, Oxford University, NASA's Jet Propulsion Laboratory, and many more. The most advanced and modern equipment and tools are employed, such as new stencil printers, component placement machines, reflow ovens, cleaning machines, and automated solder paste and optical inspection and test equipment. Central to Digicom is its diamond track manufacturing process. That includes PCB fabrication, prototyping, solder-based printing, component placement, solder reflow, selective soldering, advanced cleaning, purchasing and inventory management, process control, 100% inspection and test of every board and device, certification, process validation, and packaging, shipping, and on-time, on-budget delivery to you or your customer.
These activities enhance productivity, product control, quality, and the integrity of the product that's built. Digicom supports many assembly methods, including both manual and automated assembly of SMT, through-hole, and mixed boards.